Hey skiers, it's Bob with Skiessentials.com. Welcome to our 2023 ski test. We got a Line Tom Wallisch Pro model for you today. Super awesome option for competitive freestyle skiers who are looking for that park and pipe ski. Really does a nice job of blending lightweight agility with kind of that stiffer and more responsive feel to it. We are built with a maple macro block wood core, so wider stringers of maple. We do get a thicker core profile in this ski than the other line skis like Chronic or Blend, and that gives this thing more stiffness. Combine that with their carbon ollie band, which is these pre-stretched carbon stringers that run through the center of the ski here. Really give this thing a good amount of stiffness and energy, allowing you to really get that snap and pop off of the lips. So anytime you're in the park, you can really feel it when you load up the ski with energy. It definitely provides it back to you on the back end of the turn or off the lips of any jump. So we do get that slightly stiffer flex in this ski versus Blend or Chronic for sure. It is symmetrical flex, so you do get that same feel from tip to tail. So forwards or backwards, you're going to get a very similar feel from this ski. In terms of shaping, it's almost symmetrical, so 2 millimeters narrower in the tip, 90 millimeters underfoot, 118 in the tip, so 118, 90, and 116. So you do almost get that totally symmetrical shape to it. Really allows for very clean and smooth and round turns, as well as just being predictable both forwards and backwards. We also get their cap wall construction, so half sidewall, half cap underfoot, and then kind of progressing to full cap in the tips and tails. So we do see a little bit more camber in these things. It does extend a little bit past where that cap wall ends. I'll show you that when we get it back to back here. But let's throw this thing on the scale. This is the 178. We'll get that to stop bouncing. We're at 1,767 grams, so it does have that lighter weight feel to it. A lot of that lightness is coming in that full cap tips and tails, allowing for really light swing weight, great maneuverability in the air. Anytime you're in the park, that's super important. And the fact that it's got that symmetrical shape, flex, and profile to it just adds to kind of the stability of it in the air. But we do see that nice camber underfoot. You know, when you're center, you are a little bit forward of camber, so they just have this -2 there, which is the recommended midsole length. So depending on your style, that's where you should mount it. And then we do see a little bit more of that cambered profile versus Blend. So that rocker starts about up here. And, you know, basically you just don't need as much rocker in more of a competition style ski. It is nice to have that, you know, that longer effective edge and just that more smoothness for carving power. And same thing in the tail, symmetrical in terms of rocker profile. Really gives you that nice tip to tail confidence, whether you're in the air or on the ground. So great ski. You know, obviously any of these athlete inspired skis go through quite a bit of a process to make it to this point. And, you know, having that Tom Wallisch model for Line, you know, for years has really kind of given it credence and, you know, made the respect for this brand grow in the freestyle realm. So definitely make sure you check out this Tom Wallisch Pro model here from Skiessentials.com, and we will see you out there on the hill. Bye.